In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download sound effects from Artlist.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, browse the catalog, pick the perfect sound, and grab the right file type for your project without any confusion. Start by signing in. Head to Artlist.io and log into your account so your downloads are properly licensed and linked to you. Being signed in also unlocks the full download options and ensures you won't hit a roadblock later. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, open the stock catalog. From the main navigation, look for the Stock or Sound Effects section. This is where Artlist organizes all its effects into straightforward categories, so you can browse by themes like ambience, whooshes, impacts, or Foley. Opening the catalog first sets you up to search efficiently and narrows your results to the sound effects you actually need. Now, find a sound effect. Use the search bar to type in a clear keyword that matches what you're after, something like city ambience, door close, or sci-fi whoosh. Refine your results with filters for category, mood, or duration if those are available, and preview as you go. Click the play button to hear each effect, and pay attention to the waveform and length so you know whether it fits your timing. If you're layering multiple effects, try to match the tone and intensity across clips for a cohesive sound. You can also check the Details panel for information like length and quality to make sure it matches your project's requirements. When you've found the right one, click the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow beside the track. Make sure you've selected the exact version you want before you click. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted here, so it's best to be logged in from the start. Once you click Download, Artlist will prepare the file for you. Finally, choose the file type. You'll typically see options like WAV and MP3. Pick WAV if you want the highest quality and plan to edit, process, or mix the sound inside a video or audio project. Choose MP3 if you need a smaller file for quick previews or light use, where ultimate quality isn't critical. Confirm your choice, and your download will begin. Save it to a clearly named project folder so you can find it later without digging around. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open the stock catalog, find your sound, click download, and choose the file type that fits your workflow.